Hey guys, and this video we're going to see a small issue which happened in my Tata Tigor. So actually when I turned on the wiper it worked and stopped. So this is the second time where this issue is happening. As you could see, the wiper is moving freely. I suppose that there's some linkage might have got loosened. So as you could see, it's not working. So let us open the boot and see what's the issue. So before that, I will just show you there is a small sound coming from the dashboard side when we turned on the wiper. So as you could hear the noise, the motor is good, but I think the link rod might have came out. So let's I'll remove this wiper and see what's happened. So there will be a small cap over the wiper outside. You can just remove that and use an 17 or 16 ring spanner to remove it. So we also need to remove the complete cowl grill. So this is the part which we used to call it as cowl grill. You have to remove this complete plastic part so that you can get the access to the wiper motor. So you'll be having some sort of small push clips. You have to just push it out and remove it. So actually there is no sort of screws over here. It's just a push clip, so it's easy to remove the complete assembly. This is the reinforced shield which holds the wiper motor, and this is called the cowl panel inner. So as you could see, it's too much of messy. It's not only in this car, it happens in all the vehicles. So what we need to do is we need to actually remove this shield. So for this you need to use around 10 and 12 T-rod. So it's easy to remove, but you need a sort of patience because the shield doesn't comes out easily. So this is the wiper motor. Okay, this is how it looks, and this is the rod which I was talking about, which got loosened and came out. So this has happened because of the rat. So rat has collected some fur and some debris from outside, and it has built its nest over here. That's the reason why this wiper motor has failed. So this is not the first time. This is actually the second time I'm facing this issue. So thank God that this time it's completely summer. But actually last time the issue was too hard because during winter rainy time, so my wiper motor got failed. Even the technician couldn't find out what was the issue without removing. So this is the thing which I was talking. So now let's remove this one and clean it and just reassemble it. So before that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna completely clean this inner cowl part using an air blower. So after blowing the dust off, I just checked it. So it has a lot of mud in it. So I have to clean that one. And also I noticed a bit of rust in these parts. So as you can see over here, it started rusting. So mine is not actually a coastal area, but if the vehicle is in coastal area, I think this might be a huge rust area. So what I did was I just cleaned it off with completely a soap oil and thing, and after cleaning, this is how it looks. And I just thought of giving it a small painting using spray paint, and this is how it looks after painting. I just gave it 2 coats, so nothing is going to happen if you're giving 2 coats. And I have cleaned the wiper motor and have greased the joints. So these are the joints which we need to grease so that the wiper motor doesn't get wear and tear too much. So now you can fix it in the same procedure how you removed. So just check whether all the mounting points are aligned exactly so that the link rod doesn't get sprayed. So we need to be cautious that only after fixing the top shield you have to turn on the wiper and see. I just turned it on and it's working perfectly. So the reason why I said that you have to fix the shield and turn it on is because there will be some moving parts behind. The link rod will be moving, so if you just open it and keep it might damage the rods or the windshield. So that's it, and you can fix in the cowl grill using the push clips, and that's it. So that's pretty much it from this video, guys. So if you guys have faced any strange issues like this, so do post your comment in the comment section. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.